Life is balance. Hi, my name is Lia Rosida and I'm the project leader of bamboo conservation for ecotourism development in Sembalun. Despite its economic benefits, a large-scale and uncontrolled mass tourism could bring about catastrophic problems like overuse of natural resources, waste problems, and also abandonment of local cultures because we are urged to fulfill the market needs and trends. Now, it's time to make a change. Bamboo ecotourism is one of the best solutions that we can take in order to make sure economic, social, and environmental benefits for local communities because it has three main principles: conservation and education, and also community participation. Why bamboo? Bamboo is one of the magic green plants that plays essential roles in protecting environment. It decreases the number of timber consumption, reducing water and air pollution up to 35% of carbon dioxide in the climate, and it delivers more oxygen. Our Sembalun bamboo ecotourism is developed together with local communities in order to raise awareness that tourism is not only about economy, but protecting culture and nature are more important in order to achieve sustainable tourism for our future generations to come. So, visiting bamboo ecotourism is one of the big steps that we can take to make change by purchasing local products, enjoying culture, conserving nature and culture. Our Sembalun together